Good evening. Welcome to Sharp and Wellness. This evening, we're going to be covering down on a couple of the pre-workouts that are um, most popular in the store, right? In Sharp and Fitness and Nutrition, 588 San Mateo Avenue, San Bruno, we. Covered down on a few pre-workouts that are most popular in the store, mainly our Impact Igniter, right? Our EVP 3D. This is a non-stem. So what I just showed you before was stem, right? Impact Igniter stem, non-stem. And then of course, we have our Devastate, which is also a stem product, but one of the most popular I purchased in the store. And what we're gonna talk about are these three individual pre-workouts, what makes them so popular, and then make sure that each of you understand how to use these correctly. We have a lot of different occurrences of people taking these things straight to the head. You know, they pull the scoop out, pop it in your mouth, and everything like that. It's usually the younger kids that do that. My advice for everybody 40 plus, you're not taking anything to the head, no more. Everything needs a chaser, everything. Put it in some water, shake it up, and do it properly. All right, let's cut the crap. That being said, we're gonna go from light, what I would consider to be a lighter formula, all the way to something that all the way to the strongest, right? So we'll start here with our non-stem, meaning there's no caffeine in it, right? EVP 3D. Decent formulation here, right? It's got your citrulline, your beta-alanine, and your arginine. These are for the help facilitate the production of nitric oxide, help facilitate athletic performance throughout your workout. What's also exciting about this is that it has creatine anhydrous, which is the purest form of creatine you can get. You have creatine anhydrous, creatine HCl, creatine monohydrate. Well, creatine anhydrous is as a 100% creatine molecule by weight, right? So what that means is purest form of creatine that you can get. There's a misconception that creatine can only be used for after your workout. Can also be used prior to your workout as well. As a matter of fact, sometimes suggested you can do about 3 grams before, 3 grams after, good to go, right? Has coconut water for hydration in it, tyrosine, DMAE. I'm not going to try to pronounce that's an acronym for some very long word that I'm not going to pronounce, but also has liamanes extract in it too. And those are used for memory, mental focus, and cognitive function, right? So this EVP 3D is formulated for performance, right? Nitrous oxide production, hydration, right? Help get water into the muscles, and mental focus. So, and without a stem, right? So that's this puppy here, and that without a stem is for you guys that are great heavy coffee drinkers, right? Next, we're here with our Devastate, right? Devastate by Inspired. Inspired is a great brand. I personally enjoy the brand. This is one of the ones I go to when I'm out of stuff that I normally take, right? So I usually come here to the Devastate. Devastate packed with your vitamins and minerals. Got your magnesium and your potassium. Although those micronutrients for hydration. Also hits your citrulline, your beta-alanine anhydrous, your creatine, taurine, and then of course it has a performance matrix in it that does include cephalexin, and cephalexin is it's built like ephedrine, except it's not ephedrine, and a lot of people classify that as a stem. It's not a stem because of the way it's built, but it does engage certain androgenic receptors that mimic a stem-like feel, but it's definitely not stem. But it does enhance and performance, right? So that also includes a yohimbine formula in there which also promotes performance, right? Also comes with estrogen, which allows you to take in the supplement more, right? Allows you to use more of the supplement. We in the store we carry an estrogen supplement that you probably should be taking to get more out of the supplements you get. But that's the Devastate right here, sits somewhere in the middle. Now, one of the strongest pre-workouts we have Impact Igniter, right? Very, very, very popular in the store, especially because of this high stem and because of just of the formulation, right? Not bad at all. Citrulline, agmatine sulfate, taurine, and also NAC, right? NAC is good because NAC allows for respiratory, allows not only respiratory health, but it also allows the build of glutathione, which is one of the strongest antioxidants in the body. So this is real good for that. Also comes with beta alanine and coconut water. Those things are used. Beta alanine is great for performance. Coconut water, as you know, is great for hydration as well. Has the carnitine in it. Has a heavy dose of caffeine, 400 milligrams of caffeine. As a matter of fact, if you take one whole scoop, right? So imagine that one whole scoop of this has 400 milligrams of caffeine in it, which will have you sitting on the edge of the bench. And for some of you, if you're caffeine sensitive, it'll have you sitting on the edge of the bench asking God why. Carnitine, promotes a water loss, right? It has you sweating a lot. I say water loss, but then remember, sweating does not equal fat loss. Just equals a lot of water loss out of the body. Has your lion maze, has your alpha GPC, mental focus, cognitive function, alpha GPC. The reason why alpha GPC is good for mental focus and for cognitive function. Alpha GPC is actually used to treat dementia, right? Look it up. But good for mental focus and that relaxed feeling, that nerve health as well, right? Also has a good uptake with the bioperine, which is just a black pepper extract, good for absorption and everything like that. So once again, strongest we have in store. How do you use them? As suggested. Okay, this one comes with half a scoop if you want to break the scoop in half, but no more than one scoop of this. All right, this one right here totes having one serving, which is one scoop with 8 ounces of water. A lot of people do 2 servings at once. You know what I mean? Test out how you react. Test out how your body feels. Do 1 scoop first. See how you feel on it before you move up to 2. We don't need you going into cardiac arrest needlessly. This one as well can use up to 2 scoops. Start off with 1, no more than 2 in a 24-hour period. There you have it. We'll do more videos like this with the other pre-workouts we carry in store, other fat burners we carry as well. But giving you a spotlight of what we have. Once again, non-stem. Can you see it? Non-stem. In the middle, right? Still has a heavy stem to it, but not bad formulation at all. And of course, we call this the dragon's breath right here. This one will put the CrossFit in your CrossFit. All right. There you have it. It's your boy Jay. Sharper Wellness. Ooh-wee.